Hey there, welcome to day 1205 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting my journey as I transition from the offline brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world, and a little bit of crossover back and forth again. This year I'm going to mix things up since we're opening up a little bit with COVID, and hopefully we're, as Americans, putting that behind us and moving forward and living our lives and creating new things, new amazing things in our lives. And that involves both some offline and online projects and activities I'm working on. So, just got back from vacation. Or not vacation, I guess it was vacation, working vacation, fun vacation, big trip. I am here to share the fine point. And the fine print, not the fine point, the fine print, because our Supersize Your Business topic today was about the fine print, reading the fine print, and then knowing that we need to create the fine print and the terms and conditions and the terms of service for our businesses, for our organizations, whether we're doing things online or not. We need to have terms and conditions so that people know what to expect from us and what we are holding ourselves accountable to. And there's 7 parts to terms and conditions. Most people don't have them all, unless you're a bigger company, a bigger organization with a legal organization. Most online businesses don't do them at all. They forget to. And they're not that hard. You can Google terms and conditions and you can model other people's or do your own. But you want to make sure you have all 7 parts in yours. That's the biggest thing. If you don't know what those are, hit me up and I'll put them in the comments below or something. But it's a topic for another day. I actually cheated a little bit on our do one thing every day that centers you. Yesterday is the first day since 2019 that I missed a day. I missed one day in 2019 when I had COVID and was super duper sick. I missed one day of doing my daily videos. All the other days I sucked it up, and as bad as I looked, I did it anyway. But I did miss one day, and I missed yesterday because we were having an all-day travel day. We left super early in the morning, so I didn't get a chance to do them ahead of time. Long story, not going to blame anyone, but I just didn't get them done. I can blame myself, didn't get them done. Didn't get up at 4 because there's nowhere to go at 4 because you couldn't schedule the, long story, no excuses. I didn't do them. So today I cheated and I did both day 137 and day 138 because this is an annual challenge and I want to not get behind because I like to know what day of the year it is. We're only into day 138 of this year. I don't know about you, but it has been a crazy, interesting year so far. I'll share, I'm going to do a lessons learned from traveling. I had not been on a trip since a cruise in 2019. 2019, I went on a cruise, then proceeded to get super duper sick. A couple weeks later, like right around Christmas, right around the holidays, and was sick all through Christmas and New Year's. And so I haven't really, and then COVID hit. And so I've been to the cabin, and that was about it. I haven't really been anywhere in 2020 and into 2021, which is why I said yes to the trip. And it was fantastic and fun, but I got to observe some things that were really, really interesting, and I want to do a separate video to share those because I think that we're getting a different picture of what the world is, well, not the world too, but the United States of America especially. We're getting a very different picture if we watch or listen to media, big tech, big corporations versus how people really are out in the world. And I went through, I'd have to count how many states, but a dozen different states or more in the last 2.5 weeks. And I got to see firsthand and form my own conclusions and judgments on what's going on out there. And it isn't anything like the media is representing. You know, Americans are extremely resilient, amazing human beings, and none of that has gone away despite all of the crap that's gone down in the United States of America over the last couple of years, or the last year and some months, but maybe even a few decades of nonsense. Anyway, topic for another day. So that's why we had a total travel day yesterday. I think I maybe got home it was late. I didn't get to bed till after 12:30, so I wasn't going to do my videos when I knew I was going to get up and do them in a few hours. And even though I'm running late today, at least I'm getting today's done. So I only did this 365-day challenge twice. I did 2 of them today to make up for yesterday. So and my selfish reason, so I can know what day of the year it is. It's day 138, and we'll do 365. And I keep accidentally putting in all about you 365-day challenge. I put in 375, so I might have to actually go 10 days into next year and make up 10 of my own because I keep making typos on that. But does it matter? No. We just do one thing every day that makes us feel good, that makes us feel centered. So yesterday was supposed to be learn to live, live to learn. I like that one. And we're supposed to share a little task we did that is giving us a large return. So if we drink 8 glasses of water every day, we know that that is giving us positive health benefits on a bigger, grander scale than the act of just drinking a glass of water. So that was the whole point of this one. And then today, which I'm now caught up on, was knowledge and the power of knowledge, and knowledge giving us wings. And so I pulled down my little angel wings and used those for that. Again, fine print, terms of service, terms of condition for Supersize Your Business. I did not do 2 today because it's a daily thing, but it's okay to miss a day, right? It's definitely okay to miss a day here and there. So I gave myself permission to miss this video that I usually do every day and the Supersize Your Business yesterday, and I just caught up on the All About You 365 Day Challenge. Only again, because I want to know what day of the year it is. So day 138, in case anybody's wondering, and I'm sure my friend Avel will share what all happened on this day. I think we actually had a barbecue on National Barbecue Day, so that was fun. But otherwise, I don't really know what day it is. I guess there's radio stations that have done that since I was a little girl, which is a very, very long time ago. So working on that. Got a very fresh perspective on the world and travel, and I've got opinions about that too, which I'll share in another video. So, back to work. I'm sure it's going to take me a day or so to actually get my gears going and things going smoothly for me, but it doesn't take long. Really amazing to get a different perspective and a change of scenery. So that's going to change some of the decisions I make going forward, that after over a year of being in the same place, doing the same things, and some things different, but a lot of the same things, a lot of not interacting with human beings face-to-face, which I totally have missed. And yeah, Zoom is face-to-face, but it's not face-to-face. FaceTime is face-to-face, but it's not face-to-face. I've FaceTimed my niece and nephew a lot, but it was nothing like being in Florida with them for a week and all the adventures and things that we had. It's not the same. It's better than nothing. Technology, thank you very much, but it's not the same. So that's it. That's all I've got today. Catch-up day, get reacclimated to home, and I will be with you tomorrow to share what I'm doing as I transition from the brick-and-mortar world to the online world. I already had a business meeting today, so it's going to be a busy ride. It's not going to be a bumpy ride. Things don't have to be bumpy anymore if we don't want to be. Actually, secret, things never had to be bumpy. We just always seem to make life harder for ourselves than we have to. Have an amazing day. If I can help you, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Bye.